It's a very good evening, my dear friends. Today I'm going to show you some of video footage I have collected from the media, social medias. So I thought this is very important to review them, review them because we used to forget so easily whatever happened, what happened last week and what happened yesterday. So for that, I just collected some of videos from some of video footage. Just collecting some of video footage from channels and your page, and I'll try to expand them and so that our people can remember these incidents and they can take care of themselves in near future, and especially for those who um, recklessly cutting this mountain, cutting off the mountains, hills, and all. Those who are making land development and recklessly in and around Earth's capital city, they should remember this incident because this was landslide and flood due to heavy rainfall is because of this land cutting. Maximum chances is due to this land cutting. So you have seen those video footage. This is video footage that you can see. This is the footage of Papunala where so many buildings are submerged, vehicles are also submerged, flooded away, and vehicles are washed away, and some people are facing difficult to come out of house, and they are not able to crossing their or the footpath and all. So you can see this. And
या आदमी निकलने के लिए भी तकलीफ हो रहा है, आप देख सकते हैं। ये लोकेशन ये पपुनाला में है।
again, you can see this what is called second video. This is from the energy park Itanagar. You can see energy park is flooded now. Where this huge volume of water is coming from? I think this is coming from because due to this land cutting on mountainside of in between this lobby and this Kampamandi, and that mountainside the people are carelessly cutting the land. So downside area will wash away by this huge volume of water flowing with muds. So it is unfortunate, and we have seen that some vehicles were washed away, some scooties, bikes, and some houses were also washed away. This is very unfortunate.
ये कलामती है तनव जीरो रास्ता पुटिंग पार होके अभी रास्तों को डायरेक्ट वॉश आउट हो गया
ये जो पिकेट 7 का पिस्पॉन है, ये जो काफी लोग देख सकते हैं यहाँ में, देखिए ये वहाँ से भी सिलों वहाँ से भी आ रहा है, देखिए अभी भी वहाँ से आ रहा है। संग्राम तुलीलू का बीच में है, डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोरोंको में। जो हमारी कोलोरिंग इंटायर कोलोरिंग जो हेडक्वार्टर है उसका रोड कनेक्टिविटी जो कट हो चुका है।
You could look at this test local MLA come this advisor PhD Sri Pani Taramji visiting the site, and he just came up there and see what this wasabi bridges and talking to the media person, and this is a symbol of good leader, and we must proud of him because he is the first leader to reach out such a big what is called landslide incident and flood incident in Arunachal Pradesh, I think. And again, this Andhra Pradesh is happened in between Ganga Market and what is called Division 4, and suddenly a patch of land slided down and it was away a car. Inside the car there was lady, but lady is safe. Lady was safe, and car was damaged fully. Again, this another footage is from I think highway between Sapa to this somewhere. It's very good to see that Honorable MLA from Yakin Sangam visiting the landslide area and is crossing the sliding zone. The local MLA should always be with his own people. I think he is doing such a wonderful job. You can see he is crossing the what is called sliding zone. He is also jumping, and during his jump, also he's about to fall down. But even then, he's ready to cross. So, such kind of all of these video footage I have collected to remind our people that we should not what's called carelessly cut our soil, our land. We should not carelessly block the. There is another what is called footage coming from this what's called Nagaland. This is also unfortunate because volume of water is increasing and it is rising near to the bridge. Many areas are meant today. So why I am reviewing this video footage? I am reviewing this video footage to give reminder to those reminder to our people and people of Arunachal Pradesh that next year the same rainfall and this next month also same thing will happen. So before you do anything mistakes, please always remember these videos. So I am just making you reminder and I am just giving a reminder that don't forget these video clips, video footage because these are collected by our youngsters, our press reporters who have dare enough to collect in place of occurrence. Don't develop land recklessly, don't develop land carelessly. Society, about your plans and people living nearby, don't forget those sins because these are the very what is called havoc, this disaster which coming out of the human actions. So always remember this. And I hope you guys will remember my video footage and see you with another topic next time. I hope you guys will remember always and please kindly follow my page, Facebook page and share it and put your comments and subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye bye. See you.